Islamic finance acknowledges the concept of time value of money. However, the Islamic view of time value of money is different from that of conventional finance. In chapter 2, verse 275 of Holy Quran, Allah Almighty forbids interest but allows trade. Therefore, based on this verse, Islamic finance rejects time value in lending arrangements but allows it in business and trade of goods. Time value in trade refers to the compensation for time in credit sales. Sharia acknowledges time value in deferred sales by allowing sellers to charge higher price for goods sold on credit. There is almost a consensus among Sharia scholars that the credit price of a commodity can be higher than its cash price, provided that price is determined at the time of sale. The Islamic Fiqh Academy of OIC and Sharia boards of all Islamic banks approve the legality of this difference. However, once the sale is executed, any addition to the agreed price, even in case of delay in payment, is strictly prohibited. This is because the commodity once sold belongs to the buyer and the seller has no right to reprice a commodity that he has already sold, because that commodity no more belongs to him. Sharia allows time valuation in deferred sales because seller is allowed to charge different prices in different conditions. For example, a seller can decide to charge lower price from poor customers compared to the wealthy buyers by giving them discount. On the same analogy, seller can charge higher price in credit sales compared to the cash and carry price. Higher price in credit sale is justified because seller has to bear additional costs and higher risks in case of credit sales. Therefore, higher price can be charged in credit sale to compensate for the following: the risk of default on credit, because the buyer may not pay the due amount; high capital requirements arising from the need for injecting additional capital to support the credit sales; the opportunity cost, which refers to the cost of missing the opportunities to invest the amount tied up in credit sales; the risk of inflation, because the price of the commodity sold on credit may be higher on the future date when the seller actually receives the payment. In addition to these, firms with fairly huge quantities of credit sales have to maintain a large credit department. Moreover, they have to incur following additional costs associated with credit sales, including cost of credit analysis, because the firm has to incur cost to analyze the credit worthiness of the credit applicants; cost of servicing accounts receivable, including the cost of clerical work related to processing and record keeping; credit collection expenditure, that is the cost incurred on the collection of accounts receivable; bad debt losses, that is the amount of money lost due to the inability of the firm to recover some accounts receivable. Bearing these additional costs and additional risks, charging higher price in credit sales seems justified. Similar to credit sales, lending also has some inherent risks and costs. For example, just like credit sales, the lender also faces the risk of default, the risk of decrease in the value of money due to inflation, and opportunity cost. So a question arises: why lender is not allowed to charge interest or addition in any form in a lending arrangement to compensate for these risks and costs? Well, this is a tricky question, but its answer is quite simple. Islamic finance rejects time value in lending arrangements but allows it in business and trade because Islam treats the lending and trade as two separate activities, that are governed by totally different intentions. Islam views trade as a commercial activity that is intended to earn a living. Since trade is beneficial for human beings and mandatory for the survival and smooth functioning of the society, therefore Islam has set forth different rules to promote a conducive environment for trade and earning a halal living. Consistent with this view, Sharia allows time valuation in deferred sales to compensate for the additional costs and inherent risks associated with credit sales to ensure its viability and saving business from undue losses. On the contrary, lending is considered as a virtuous act in Islam from which the lender cannot take any worldly benefit. This is because lending is not a commercial activity, rather, it is intended to extend financial support to someone who is in financial distress. Thus, in a lending arrangement, the lender is entitled to the principal amount only and is not allowed to charge above the principal. Thus, the lender cannot charge a compensation for opportunity loss or the loss in the value of money due to inflation, because these are borne by the lender as a charity with the intention to help the borrower. That is why loan is called Karde Hasana in Islam, which means a benevolent loan, because it is driven by ihsan or favor with the needy in the wake of pleasing Allah Almighty. Moreover, Allah Almighty has promised great rewards for those who give Karde Hasana to those who are in need. Secondly, Islam does not allow making money out of money. This is because money is considered merely as a medium of exchange, having no intrinsic value at all. Therefore, producing money out of money is strictly prohibited. Hence, if money has to be exchanged for money or is borrowed for exceptional reasons, the payment on both sides must be equal. Unlike conventional finance, where time value is used as a justification for charging interest in a lending arrangement, the Islamic recognition of time value does not pertain to the permission for making money out of money. Therefore, time value is allowed in credit sales but prohibited in lending. To learn more about the lending system of Islam, check the link in the description for an interesting video on this topic.